business customers, whether they are starting out or expanding. We at IKEA connect our expertise to their place of business. Our knowledge, range, and services extend beyond function and value. And while IKEA is in the business of homes, we also help create spaces that feel like home for our business customers. Just like how IKEA started as a small business, we make sure that as our customers grow, our solutions grow with them. IKEA is there every step of the way. From designing, delivery, and installation to after sales. Whatever business they are in, from an office to a restaurant, a hotel to an apartment complex, we continue our vision of creating an everyday life for the many people, including our business customer.